I feel it's my duty under parliamentary privilege to name Philip Green as the individual in question.
For the man who spoke out so publicly, a day on, Lord Hayne is now facing a backlash for his choice to do so. After outing Sir Philip as the person who prevented the Telegraph publishing allegations of sexual and racial harassment, it's now emerged Lord Hayne is an advisor to the law firm representing the newspaper.
He's provided no proper explanation for his actions apart from his own opinion, which I find breathtakingly arrogant. What is the point then of having courts? There isn't any, because he can make his pick any time he likes or has information in order to destroy a court case and circumvent a court order. It cannot be justified.
In a statement, Lord Hayne says, "I took the decision to name Sir Philip Green in my personal capacity as an independent member of the House of Lords. I categorically state I was completely unaware Gordon Dadds were advising the Telegraph regarding this case. Gordon Dadds, a highly respected and reputable international law firm, played absolutely no part whatsoever in either the sourcing of my information or my independent decision to name Sir Philip. They were completely unaware of my intentions until after I spoke in the House of Lords." Meanwhile, a row's brewing between two institutions at odds with one another. On the one side, the judiciary, which granted an injunction, and on the other, Parliament, which superseded it.
Whether it was in the public interest or not is something that the courts were going to look at when they had the time and when they had the full evidence available. I would have thought that that's now impossible, and therefore he is substituting his view of the public interest for the court's view of the public interest.
Mr. Speaker, with about 75,000 people having named Ryan Giggs on Twitter,
it's not the first time parliamentary privilege has been used to override an injunction. In 2011, MP John Hemming named footballer Ryan Giggs as having had an alleged affair.
Freedom of speech in Parliament is not absolute. It's controlled by Parliament. And I don't think anyone would like to see a situation in which Parliament didn't have the freedom for people to speak out and raise concerns of the issues of the day.
Sir Philip Green categorically denies the allegations, but his case has raised divisions between lawmakers and judges on one fundamental question: who should decide when someone accused of a crime is named? Adele Robinson, Sky News.